And check this out. You can be a forecaster with me. So notice the temperatures around the area. Now take a look at the dew points around the area. They're all very similar. And you add a second ingredient. That is, some of the dew points are higher than the sea surface temperatures. And that's why right now, if you haven't been out and about, I'll let you know, fog is rapidly developing. Dense fog advisories have been issued. So if you were going to be out and about over the next couple of hours, earlier would be better than later, because that dense fog could become pretty widespread. And I think it's going to be with us for several hours through the morning hours. Could be as late as 9 to 10 o'clock, especially near the river and the beaches. The sea fog will linger. Eventually going to give way to sunshine, and then those spring-like temperatures on the way. So I think the computer model does a pretty good job of painting the sea fog. It is along and west of the Gulf Stream, and then also fog developing over inland areas just because of the coolness of the night. Now notice as we go through the morning hours, we start to see the breaks from the south, and then during the afternoon heat, isolated showers, but these colors indicate the more intense rains and thunderstorms. And I do think tomorrow the most widespread thunderstorms will be still well out to the west of us around the Florida Panhandle. What about beyond tomorrow? Well, we'll take a look at that in just a moment, but here are the numbers. Again, dense fog, lows of 54 to 62, highs of 79. Well inland, we're going to see temperatures make it to 80, but notice for many of us a southeast wind off the ocean will form. Again, the ocean's still pretty chilly, and that'll moderate that heat just a bit. That's why out around the beaches, I have to tell you, it's going to be iffy. Sea fog guaranteed in the morning. It could be one of those days. We're on 3rd Street, the sun shines and it's in the 70s, whereas right on the sand, it's not shining. That is, the sea fog is there and it's only in the 60s. So keep that in mind if you want to reach the beach, and maybe it's sunny over interior St. Johns County, but then you reach the beach and then there's fog. Could be that kind of a day. Now, as we go from Saturday to Sunday, the warm front continues to lift to the north. The cold front begins to approach from the west. We're watching that very closely, but at least for now, for all those who are going to be out and about, including on Sunday for the weekend to finish it in the marathon and all the other distances, I think as we head into the evening hours, the thunderstorms will be well off to our south and well off to our west. Of course, we'll watch that very closely. And then as we head toward Monday and Tuesday, widespread showers and thunderstorms will begin to spread into and over the area. So here we go. Up to near 80 degrees, that's everywhere. Now again on Saturday, all of the running and walking, that's the 5K, the 10K, and the 1 mile fun run, that's all downtown. 60 degrees with dense fog should all be over by noon, and 75, although downtown will become warmer. This, remember, is out on the island except for when we cross the bridge and make it to Mayo, and that's why you're seeing temperatures here at least through the noon hour not as warm as it will be over inland areas on Sunday. Of course, for those out there spectating, watching, and supporting, pretty nice temperatures for the weekend. Again, the widespread showers and thunderstorms should hold off until Monday and Tuesday. Then look what happens to the temperatures. By next Friday, we could see middle 80s. We're going to take a break, and we'll be right back.